Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor in your WordPress theme. Elementor is a fantastic page builder that empowers you to create stunning websites with ease, even if you have zero coding experience. It transforms the way you build pages, offering a visual, intuitive interface. You can simply drag and drop elements to craft your desired layout. Getting started is straightforward. Just install the Elementor plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard, and you will be ready to unleash your creativity in mere moments. Once Elementor is installed, navigate to any page or post within your WordPress site and select the Edit with Elementor button. This action will launch the intuitive Elementor editor. On the left side, you will find a wide array of widgets, such as headings, images, and text blocks. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your page canvas. You can then customize each element's appearance and functionality using the comprehensive settings panel, giving you complete control over your design. Elementor offers much more than basic page building. You can significantly accelerate your design process by leveraging its extensive library of pre-designed templates and blocks. Furthermore, dive into the powerful theme builder to craft custom headers, footers, and other site-wide elements, ensuring a consistent brand identity across your entire website. Remember to utilize the responsive design controls to ensure your site looks impeccable on every device, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. Before making your stunning new page live, always take a moment to preview it across various devices, ensuring a flawless user experience for everyone. Elementor provides easy-to-use preview options for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, you can save your design as a reusable template, which is incredibly handy for maintaining consistency. Finally, with just one click, your beautifully crafted page will be published and visible to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.